In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files or images in the OneDrive app quickly and easily. Whether you want to back up important documents, save photos to the cloud, or keep your files synced across devices, this is a simple method that can save you a lot of time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, find the file or image on your computer that you want to upload to OneDrive. This can be a document, a photo, a screenshot, or any other file you want to keep backed up. Once you've located it, right-click on the file or image. A menu will appear with several options, and from there, click Copy. This is the first step because it lets you move the file into your OneDrive folder without changing or deleting the original. Next, open File Explorer on your Windows computer. You can do this from the taskbar or by searching for it in the Start menu. Inside File Explorer, look for your Microsoft OneDrive folder. In many cases, OneDrive will already be pinned in the left sidebar, making it easy to access. Click on the OneDrive folder to open it. Now that your OneDrive folder is open, choose the location where you want the file or image to go. If you want it in the main folder, simply right-click in an empty space inside the folder. A menu will pop up again, and this time, click Paste. As soon as you do that, the file will be placed into your OneDrive folder. At this point, OneDrive will automatically start uploading or syncing the file or image in the background on Windows. You usually do not need to do anything else. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, the upload may take just a few seconds or a little longer. You may also see a sync icon showing that OneDrive is working on it. If you want to make sure everything uploaded correctly, you can wait for the sync to finish and then check the OneDrive status. When the file is fully synced, it will be available from your OneDrive account on other devices too. That means you can access it from your phone, tablet, or another computer whenever you need it. This method is especially useful if you want to upload multiple files or images at once. You can copy several items, paste them into your OneDrive folder, and let OneDrive handle the syncing automatically. It's a simple way to organize your cloud storage while keeping your important files safe and accessible. If you're using OneDrive regularly, this is one of the easiest ways to manage your uploads without needing any complicated settings. Just copy, open your OneDrive folder, paste, and let the app do the rest. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and great for everyday use. And that's how you upload files or images in the OneDrive app on Windows. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.